What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about Python installation, introduction, data types, flow control, function, and now we are going to talk about class. Before we talking about the structure of class, let's see these nouns of class. At first we can see class, instance attributes, class attributes, object, double underscore, init, double underscore, self. Alright, let's see the structure of class and to see what's the meaning of these nouns and how to use them. At first, we use class to define the class name and class attributes. And in the class, we define a double underscore init double underscore with self instance attributes. And we define the attribute by self.attribute. And then we define the method name with self instance attributes. And out of the class, we use class and the instance attribute to define the object. Alright, it is a little bit of complexity. Let's demonstrate it and you will understand it more. At first, we define a class NBA and set a class attribute just like category equals sport, and we define double underscore init double underscore self, and with the instance attribute to name and location, and we define self name equals name and self location equals location. And now we define the method just like define go method self, and this method will print self name. Let's go. And we define another method just like bit, and this method will print self name bit them. Alright, out of the class we can start to set an object just like h equals NBA, and we have to set an instance attribute of name and location just like Rockets and Houston, and we set another object NBA Mavericks and Dallas. Alright, now we can start to call the method with this object just like h go and n go. It outputs Rockets, let's go, and Mavericks, let's go. And we call another method of bit, h bit, and m bit. Execute it. Yeah, you can see the Rockets bit them and Mavericks bit them. And we can also access the instance attribute of this object just like print m location and m name and h location and H name, execute it, and you can see Dallas Mavericks and Houston Rockets. And then what if we want to access the class attributes? What should we do? We just use NBA category and execute it. Yeah, and you can see it is sports. Or we can also access N class category and H double underscore class double underscore category, execute it. Yeah, the category of them are all sports. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the object and attribute of class. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.